The future of marine energy is here. Our Marine System 225 is a hydrogen fuel cell system with uniquely high power density, delivering 225 kilowatts of clean electric power with zero emissions and an industry-leading compact footprint. Certified for maritime applications, engineered for high efficiency and low noise operation, modular design for easy installation and integration, and smooth serviceability. Designed to be scalable for megawatt outputs, it empowers the electrification of everything marine. The system is fuel flexible and can utilise reformed renewable fuels, ensuring sustainable power for the future of marine transportation. Our methanol-to-power solution produces clean hydrogen on board for simplified decarbonisation. From ferries in Norway to cruise ships in the Mediterranean, our solutions are being installed worldwide, helping the marine industry decarbonise. Join the marine power evolution with Marine System 225.